You know, quite often when people's cars won't start, they automatically think the battery is bad. Well, the battery may be dead, but it might still be good. Quite often, it's just a matter of bad battery connection. Sometimes people think that changing the battery fixed it, and it did, but the real reason might be that the connections improved when they changed the battery. So now they've got a new battery, which isn't a bad thing, but they may not have needed to spend that money. Loose or corroded terminals can stop power from getting through. Even a good battery won't start the car charged from the alternator if the connections are bad. I've seen people replace batteries and even alternators when it was just a bad connection. Before replacing anything, check the terminals, clean them, make sure they're tight. It's a simple fix that can save you money and time.